Back again. A little bit later than scheduled. Apologies. In fact, let me fix this. All right. Gold D. Gold still ranging. Daily still bullish. 4 hour. We broke the previous 4 hour low. Slightly pulled back, but it's still inside of this range, this Asian range. It didn't actually close above the highs. It did break above and then push back below. But gold is still very much ranging, and I believe waiting for NFP for its big breakout. So that's gold. We have this little range right here from 2644 down to 2634, 100 pip range. But to the immediate daily lows would be 2617. So just gotta wait for NFP, see what happens, see if we can finally get a breakout. Pound yen, very bullish at the moment. We've tapped the previous daily resistance right here around 192, like 1930 area, and it's just hovering around here. But we did break yesterday's high, and the 4 hour did close above this previous resistance, although we've tapped this 4 hour resistance here as well, which obviously is daily as well, and it's just pulling back. So could just be making a bottom wick. Hasn't really driven down much. The 4 hour hasn't pushed down too much, but price is just hovering around here for now. You got a rejection on the 30-minute where it tapped and then pulled back. So could be the start of a pullback or just a little reaction from that higher time frame key level. There were no trades to take straight away. So now we just gotta wait. Just wait and see. Wait for NFP. Wait for the move. Where is 2 seconds? It's a better pullback on pound yen. Better pullback. Finally some structure to maybe get into a trade. This closure above here would have been nice for the buyers, but I didn't take anything. I'll just wait. Missed a big move. I didn't really expect pound yen to just keep pushing. I was waiting for like, an NY session move. Why is this being funny? Keep that there. But yeah, well, pound yen has stayed above this resistance. Hasn't been able to close back below 192.05. Gotta wait for the volume. It's going to be an interesting NFP. If the numbers are good, we should see gold sells. The numbers are bad, so below 200k, that's forecast, then gold should push. So that's what I'm expecting to see. But obviously I'm not going to jump in before the data comes out. I'll wait till after, try getting on the next 15-minute candle. But the only thing is, with gold and very high impact news, it really swings back and forth quite a lot. Like 40, 50 pip pullbacks. Okay, pound yen. Closed right at the previous resistance. Gold is doing nothing but range. Looks like a break and retest. This gold range is crazy. There were some nice sells off the Asian highs though. Look, once it didn't continue pushing up and flipped and pushed back down, there's some nice sells. This area, 100 pips.
This ain't rapping, this is street hop.
You know what? While I'm waiting, let me look at what happened in the last NFP. In fact, I remember it was very dead. October only added, I think it was 12,000 jobs. It was very weak. Nothing much happened with that NFP. Yeah, November the 1st. Not really much point looking at it, honestly. It was so whack. Let me see, November the 1st. Let's take a look. So November. This was the NFP right here. It was at 1:30, wasn't it? 12:30. It's a bit earlier, that's right. So 12:30, this was the NFP. Gold pushed up, came back down, pushed up, and then retraced. Yeah, it wasn't great. Let's see what happened with pound yen. November 1st, 12:30. Wasn't much volume. But now this NFP should affect interest rates coming up and how they're going to play it, how the Feds are going to play it. So we should get a bit more volume. Let me check on the DXY. Alright, DXY is just hovering around down here, just ranging. DXY has been quite bearish recently, but we do have a 4-hour double bottom, so we could get a potential push up from this support, which will mean gold sells. If gold sells, pound yen should go up. It's going to be some interesting movement. Mainly for gold. I just want to see gold get out of this range finally, but I don't really have super high hopes for it, if I'm honest. Got this heavy support right here. Heavy resistance. No direction. So we could get a push out of this range, but then price could just come right back into the range anyway. So yeah, I'm not really banking on too much. Like I said, I'm not going to guess where it goes anyway. Just try to jump in on the move while it's happening. Pound yen looks like a nice break and retest. Minutes till this news. Pound yen pulling back a little bit. Can't wait for a gold breakout. Should be good. I honestly think gold will push like maybe 100, 200 pips in one direction and then come right back into this range. That's honestly what I think. But it's just a thought, it's just an idea. Might not happen. Just gonna have to wait and see. Just gonna have to wait and see. But it's gonna give a good move. It should give a good move. Better than some of this price action that's been happening with gold this past week or two. It's been terrible. Yeah, too much conflicting fundamentals. You know, things that make it bearish, things that make it bullish. There's no clear direction. economy wise anyway. It's 15-minute on pound yen, creating a nice little range. Okay, we're gonna get a 30-minute. No, it's not 30 minutes, not closing yet. 15 closure above. Now it's the 15 resistance up here. We've got nice support formed. With potential head and shoulders. I wonder if gold will start a little sell-off before the news drops. And the cleaner ranges below. We'll push the daily, flip the daily bearish. 4 hours already bearish, so it could just re-break this low. And 15-minute candle. Formed a nice support. Buy stops and sell stops. Buy stops and sell stops. failed breakout. I don't know. This push up on pound yen is making me think it's just gonna blast off. So much things are bullish for pound yen for it to keep pushing. We broke yesterday's high. Respected yesterday's low, broke yesterday's high. 4 hour closed above this immediate resistance. We've kind of tapped into this previous resistance, but we've already broke this last 4 hour and pushing up more. We kind of have a rejection area up here, but it could push up. The weekly is held at this weekly support, so we've broken below, but look where we're pushing up from, where we closed. So we're just respecting this weekly support. So yeah, I think pound yen has the potential to just keep driving up, honestly. That's just based on the higher time frames. Like it's slowing down now because it's waiting for the volume to come in. Ten minutes to go. Never keeps my markups for pound yen. I don't know why. Let's see what we have here. So we do have a high time frame resistance right here. Boom. Yep. Another high time frame resistance. We got higher low right here. Now the volume could just blast through all of this, or we could get a nice drop back down, continue making lower highs. But I kind of think the structure is changing on pound yen. We're getting the change of structure just based on the fact that all of these lower highs have been broken. We've pushed above this one, and now we'll push above this one here. So yeah, I'm more inclined for the buys at the moment. Gold just keeps tapping this support. Pound yen pushing up. Right, we broke the previous 15-minute high. Shush. And gold rejected that support. Do you mind? Still tapping into this 4-hour resistance. I mean, I've seen some NFP moves for GJ that have just pushed it through the roof. 100 pip moves. My target for the week is 194.80, which is a daily level up here. Like a retest. It's ambitious. It's another 200 pip from where we are now, but you know, stranger things have happened, I'm sure. Ooh, 3 minutes, just over 3 minutes left. You know what, let me move the screen up a little bit down, just so in case it pushes up, which I think it will. It could possibly do. Just need enough room for the candles to, you know, go crazy. Maybe getting on the 15. Yeah, I'm leaving it on the 15-minute time frame because I want to see what the first 15-minute candle does. Thought it was gonna get a little pullback there, little drop. There's the 15 flip bearish, but no. Let's see if it's mixed news. Why would you say that? Oh, we're already starting to jump. Still got 30 seconds to go. It's good. Oh, pound yen spread's widening already. Pound yen is moving. Spreads are jumping. Damn, as high as 10 pips. Whoa, what a drop. Apparently it's mixed news. Lovely. Gonna stay in this range. God damn it. Mixed news is so boring. Look at that push up, push down. Like, what are we doing here? Oh, great. I thought we was finally gonna get a nice breakout. But no. It's not our time. Crazy. Oh, but gold dropping. Nothing crazy. Alright, great. Lovely mixed news. So whip soaring, prices going up and down, candles going up and down, no clear direction. That's what you get with mixed data. Great. Pound yen, it seemed to be mostly down, still holding at this 4-hour resistance. So yeah, I won't be taking anything based on a 15. I do want to see how this candle closes though, this 30-minute. If it engulfs this area, we might get a push down, which would also be a pullback from this daily resistance and 4-hour resistance. So yeah, if it doesn't flip and drive up, that's kind of what I'm anticipating. But yeah, I'm not gonna put my money on it just yet till I get see something clear. And gold is just chilling in the range. Nasty business. Whack news, man. Whack news. Nothing going on here. This 15-minute candle look crazy. Mixed news is the worst. It was terrible. Not even a breakout. Like, I expected big movement, but not even a breakout of the range it created today. It didn't even come out of this 100 pip range that it created today. Still inside this area. It's amazing. Yeah, garbage. Absolute garbage. And pound yen. What are we doing? Talk to me. Oh, there is more news later at 3. But I won't be here for that. I have to go out around 2:45. I'm gonna try to beat the rain that's expected. That 5-minute candle spiked down, got to as low as 19188. Although I didn't see that on my broker, must have been very quick. Let's see what. Okay. So DXY is going down. So maybe gold should be going up. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, but ain't. This news is giving us no direction. Maybe something might happen around New York Open. Maybe. No new 4-hour candle. But with it being Friday as well, I'm not really expecting much, honestly. Let's see what Fridays have been like for pound yen. Had an early drop in news. Push price up. Probably news this Friday too. But it was very bearish anyway. Very bearish Friday. So another little sell-off. Little push up end of the day. I wonder if gold will actually break out. If gold can break above 2644, we get a closure above Asian highs as well. We could potentially keep pushing up for the rest of the session, or at least until this 4-hour resistance. Okay, gold. Maybe a 15-minute closure above. Since DXY is going down. Maybe. 4 minutes. Potentially a closure below. Look where it tapped, right into this minor support. Clear that nonsense. 'Don't know if we're going to get that closure above on gold. Keep an eye on that price, 2644 in the next 3 minutes. Don't know if we'll get a closure above on pound yen as well, ideally above 192.4. Because we've got the daily resistance here and a 4-hour resistance down here. So we're in between. And this 4-hour candle looks like it's going to close very indecisively in the next 20 minutes if it stays like this. Oof, look at that 1 hour. Did it break the previous high? No, kind of just got to the top and pulled back. Kind of looks like the same thing it did, not yesterday. Was it yesterday? Where it pushed up, didn't quite, yeah, it was. Yesterday where it pushed up, it didn't quite reach this last resistance to the left. And then it just dropped from here. Kind of looks like it's doing the same thing. It didn't quite reach this resistance and then it's pulling back. But I'm going to have to wait for the candles to close. So see how these candles close. This 1 hour closes like this. We've got continuation to keep going down. The next 4 hour then should be bearish. And we're only 50 pips away from flipping the daily bearish as well. So yeah, depends how this candle closes. But wow, how anticlimactic. All week waiting for NFP, waiting for some market movement, and then what do we get? We get this. This 15 minutes inside this 100 pip range. Like, wow. Okay, it was a bit more than 100 pips. Was it? Was the top, the high to the low? Okay, 120 pips. Still trash. Alright, let's see what happens with the next 15. Push below or not? Because it does look like it's rejecting the highs. Alright, 15-minute. Pound yen staying in the range. Couldn't even give us a 15 closure below. Go on, this candle. Fill the wick, break the low. Well, I saw price dropping. Continuation pattern on the 15, maybe? How likely is that? Every time I see pound yen dropping and then I look at the charts, it pulls back up into the range. Come on, drive down. Drive down. There we go. Come on, fill this wick. Hour. Do you know it's broken, so it's invalid, but no, we see it there. Adjust the zones. So what am I looking for now? Next candle is a 4-hour candle. So I would like, it looks like it might form a continuation pattern. If it closes similar to how it is closing now, could get a continuation and price go up, or it could be making a resistance to keep pushing down because we've made a lower high in this structure here. That's a possibility, and then the next 4-hour could continue to push down. Possibility. Okay, breaking. Once we break 2632, gold is bearish on the daily. Yeah, pound yen. I'm very curious to see how this 4-hour candle closes. If it closes a nice bearish body, I think we could see more of a pullback. Retrace some more of this candle that pushed up this morning. And if the daily flips bearish, oh, gold's about to flip. If the daily flips bearish, then we've just retested this daily resistance, and then we're continuing the downtrend structure. But again, the things that are keeping us bullish is the weekly's bullish, and it has bounced off this weekly support. So I'm bearing that in mind. Doesn't mean that even if we pull back some more, the weekly still might close bullish. But this gives us more of a bullish bias, especially going into next week. Depending on that consumer news, even though it's an orange folder, it used to be red and sometimes it moves like it. Yeah, there is some news at 3 p.m. that used to be red folder news, but now it's orange folder news. Somehow it's become less important, but there will be a bit of volume once it comes out. Going to be a late move today. Yeah, potentially. I think so. And unfortunately, I might miss it. I'm here for another 30 minutes. Asian lows, Ashcash is saying. If this 30-minute finally closes below, I'll be looking for some GJ sells for sure. Gold. Damn, I'm looking at GJ drop. It's not nothing crazy, but a nice little retracement of this push up today. Pulling away from these higher time frame resistances. Okay, pound yen. Little pullback. This is good. Maybe a little retracement. Or Friday sell-off. Sometimes it likes to do that. But if we break this support, I want to see what it does at this broker resistance from this morning. Because gold is just... I shouldn't even laugh, but gold is so garbage. I hope it didn't hear me say that. Gold, don't slap me. But you're trash. It is, let's be real. It's garbage. Come on, you know what I'm saying. We have not been able to eat off gold this, I want to say the past, there's been a couple trades. I don't know about you guys. I know, Benny, you've taken a few wins, few L's, but you're pretty good with your break-evens. So, do you know what I mean? If the trades don't work out, you're not really losing anything, but time and brain power. So if I can manage the trades. But yeah, it's been, GJ, we've been eating off, right? 20, 30 pips, 40 pips sometimes, 50 pips. Yeah, GJ, we've been eating. Just a little bit. A little bit. Nah, I hear you on that, man. Gold is just, yeah. In GJ we trust. Alright, don't drop too much without us. Damn. What are we thinking? Retrace the whole move? Ain't no way. It could do. It could do. Or it could just be a retest. But this closure below is nice. How far? Nah, it's only 13 pips from this broken resistance. But it's been a mad pullback. I ain't mad at it. Damn. Yeah, GJ looks like it might retrace this move, you know. Pushing away from these high time frame levels. That's why I keep talking about it. Because it keeps on doing it. It consistently does that. Should have known when it didn't close above. Zone to zone. Resistance to resistance. Look, the daily's about to flip bearish. Ooh, a closure back in this range. Back below Asian lows. Ooh, Asian highs. I think if it closes below this 1.1960, might be in some sells here. If I get the closure below this broken resistance, I'm looking for some sells. Because the entry candle should flip the daily bearish. And then we have this clean range. All the way back down to this support. I know the lag there's a delay in the stream, so I'm going to say it from now. If this candle closes below, I'm going to have a sell stop. And my stop loss would be the entry candle high. But initially it will be about 20-30 pips. Let's see if it closes below. Yeah, I'll do like a 30 pip stop loss. And then obviously reduce it as the candle moves. Depending on which way it goes, I'll start chopping it. So yeah, we're waiting for this closure back below. Let's go. Closure below, let's go. Oh, daily's flipped bullish. I mean bearish. Yeah, that's it. Damn, pound yen. Oh my god, don't run without us. Push up a little bit, top wick. Alright, I'm getting in a trade once it re-breaks this low. Got my finger over the market order button. I'm not in yet. It's actually on 4.8. Been tapped in. Gave us 5 pips. Come on, push. It's 10 pips. Don't celebrate yet. But we're moving nice. We're moving very nice. Right, you know the deal. Once it gets to 20 pips, gonna lock in 80%. And then make it a risk-free trade. Pound yen really gonna retrace this whole drop, this whole push up. Alright, about 28 is when I'm gonna secure some. Where we at? Oh, nearly there. Nearly there. Boom. Oh, let me tap my trade. Closed 80%. Stop loss to break even. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. I hope everyone in here caught that. I hope everyone in here got a piece of this move. Let's go. Let's go. Waited all day for a nice move. Let's go. Now that was 5 minutes. 20 pips. Come on, all the way down to TP. That'd be great. Not asking for too much. No, don't pull up. How boring of you. Keep going. Talk nicely. Come on, DJ. You can do it. What's Mick saying?
I'm gonna tell him to start putting these charts in there. You need to me every day. That's it. I'm gonna tell him to start putting these charts in there. You need to me every day. Like, yeah, he looks like JJ, but I can't lie, man. I'm taking him to the Innocence side. Innocence is all like real. But I'll see what brother is.
Oh, looks like gold is finally pushing. All right, gold, come on, fill this range too. Alright, sorry, sending a message. I wonder if it was just a retest of this area right here. Nah, come on. I'm gonna break below this. Keep pushing. Let's go. Look at this daily. I believe it will drive down some more. I don't know how far it will go though. I mean, shoot, 100 pips to break the low. I don't know. It's pretty much just done 100 pips in this last, what, 40 minutes? I mean, this here was 1/2 an hour candle, so, you know, could do. Just need to push below 19. I don't even know. Range. Come on, pound yen, don't stop here. There we go, break below, keep pushing. I think we'll see some, like, some ranging around the 191 area if it pushes down, just because it's a psychological level. Yeah, fuck it with gold. I would have liked a closure, but that didn't happen, did it? Did expect a wick fill, which happened. Cool. Yeah. Let's keep an eye on this pound yen trade. See what the next 15-minute candle does. Oh yes, come on, pound yen. All right, come on, so close to TP. Very close to TP. New 15-minute candle. Man, if we push below this support, we're going down, all the way down. Brilliant. I'm here for it. I would want to move my stop loss into profit, maybe above these 5-minute highs. Might just leave it at break even, you know. Right, where is, okay. Oh, look at that, it's pushing back up. Retest, retest, and then continue. Come on, push. Good thing I didn't move my stop loss yet. What's gold doing? Rejecting. Wow. It's a big 15-minute top wick, you know. But then look how big this 15-minute candle is. So can't really say anything. This 15-minute candle's at 42 pips. Little retracement. Come on, continue. Retest these Asian lows. Oh, so close, so close. Let me go here. Where was this? 3, 5, okay. Cool. Come on, Goldie. What are we doing? Nah. £8, Jenna. That's it. That can't be it. No way you finish falling after that drop. No way. Come on, you gotta make it to the end. Like 10 pips from TP. Come on. Maybe it needs some music. That's what it needs. It needs some music. Right, what we got? Some stuff to get flipping copyrighted. Do you know what? I like this song. Let's give it some energy.
Either my life damnation. We realize all the time we wasted. We realize all the pain we face. Please pour a cup feminine libation. My gosh, we raising. Please sympathize all the lies we raising. Please realize all the time. Female energy, drank a couple quarters on my course, then I code up. If I rule the world, money stacks for all my daughters. Never ask for payment in the womb ×9. Now we see the blood on the street ×3. Feminine energy, balance up the indestructible in the vaginal. Heaven in thine, heaven is mine. Spiritual, lyrical, mother sang sweetest taboo, lyrical kind. If I was astonished by the level of shame, feminine energy reign. Intuition and ambition, intuition strain. Intuition and ambition running through my veins. Pour out the love, let the healing begin. The birds and the bees ain't got nothing. The birds and the bees.
I'm on some. Push it, push it.
Ain't got nothing. Energy.
Fambo, I beg you listen me. I beg you open your ears for any waiting at they say. Waiting at they talk. Na serious talk at they talk go. No beating anga speaking. Listen. In this world we deal. Members say ya. One day go come. When we all go. Before long. We go meet Mama Godo. When we dey meet Mama Godo, tell me, waiting, you go say.
With my life damnation, we realize all the time we wasted. We realize all the pain we facing. Please pour a cup feminine libation. My gosh, we raising. Please sympathize all the lies we raising. Please realize all the time. Female energy, 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 times always. Carry all the weight of the world on your shoulders. Give a couple crowns to the woman who had bore us. Told us, focus, love and support us.
Come on, let's go.
My universe is radical. Introduce the nation to embracing what is factual. Feminine energy, almost mathematical. You can't really sum up what is infinite and valuable. Feminine energy, balance up the indestructible in the vaginal, heaven in thine. She sing a melody to pass the time. Give us her energy so she heal mine. If I was astonished by the level of shame, feminine energy, never shame again. Rain, tamed, brain, praying. Intuition and ambition running through my veins. Pour out the love, let the healing begin.
Oh me. Mad, you know I heard that song in Ozark. I was like, yo, this song's a banger. Come on, Panjan. Damn.
I'm the track Grace Jones. I don't know what type of motherfucking crap they own. I'm a Carrie Bradshaw with a black gray song. I've been carrying you bitches now for way too long. I'm a black bitch, purple cunt, stack chips, smoke a blunt. All beef gets smoked. I'm a real fly bitch, you a coach hoe. I'm a real white bitch, every coast hoe. She was talking on the net, she wanna post though. I got these bitches white face, you a ghost hoe. You a don't you stand on a post hoe. Suck it up, stand up, say that shit with your chest. You bitches talking over bones, I got digits to bench. I can't do bitches, I'm too busy, I don't deal with the press. You the type of hoe to leave a broke nigga impressed. You look a mess hoe, broke dick got you looking real stressed hoe. These broke niggas ain't cunt or fetch hoe. Stay up, stay woke, stay blessed hoe. You need a wake up.
Let's go. That's what I needed, some Dochi. Woo! Boom! TP hit. Put the motherfucking money in my motherfucking hands.
I'm in Gucci in a bonnet, spending motherfucking bands. I got haters, I got fans, I got stands in the stands. Do they love her or they hate her? Either way, they spend their bands. I can really give a damn, I can really give a fuck. Long as you bitches know what's up.
Alright, I'm done. TP hit. Beautiful stream. Damn, price is still going. It is what it is. Yo, back on Monday, banging trade, TP hit. Is that 50 pips and still going? If you didn't put your TP here. But yeah, man, banging trade, guys. Banging trade, banging session. We waited for the move, we got it, killed it.
All's my life I has to fight, nigga. All's my life hard times like yeah, bad trips like yeah. Nazareth, I'm fucked up, homie, you fucked up, but if God got us, then we gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. Nigga, we gon' be alright. We gon' be alright. Do you hear me? Do you feel me?
Absolute banger. Let's go. Appreciate you guys. See you next week.